All right, so welcome to the AZ-500 study series, which is the Azure Security Engineer exam, if you know about it, and it actually focuses on Azure Security Technologies. Now, before I do an introduction of what should we expect in this series, I'll be doing an introduction of myself first, so you guys know who's talking behind the presentations. Okay, so just go to the next slide. As you have known, my name is Paul Lucero. I'm based in London, United Kingdom. I'm an IT systems admin during the day and photographer at night. By the way, feel free to check out my Instagram page. Hence, you see this quite dramatic black and white picture of myself. That's me anyway, 2 years ago. So, um, well, I'd like to talk a bit more of my IT career here. I'm an actual M365 tech in a international company. It's a digital marketing company. Feel free to visit my LinkedIn page if you want to know more about it. So M365, I'm not sure if that's an official, term, job title term, but what we do here is we manage, the M365 suite. I think that's SharePoint, if you know it. The Office apps, they are in the cloud now as well. Under it, we actually do Intune. So that's the Microsoft MDM solution. So we are actually more focused on Intune at the moment. Yes, that's me as an IT systems administrator. By the way, I'm originally from the Philippines, so if you're wondering why my accent is like this, so I'm originally from Philippines, and we migrated to Spain, and then to London. So we've stayed 5 years in Spain, and then after that, I think from 2015, we we migrated to London. Okay, now about the exam and about the series. Oh, sorry, go back to that slide. Now, the actual series that I'll be doing will be based on the skills measured. So, as you could see here, let's say this manage identity and access. You do have, I think this is more focused on Azure AD and the objects within it. So what I'm planning is to divide it by episodes. So we have it on a separate, videos. Now I will be creating episodes on each of these skills that has been measured by, being measured by that exam. And by the way, this exam was updated last September 29, 2021. I'm not sure if there's an upcoming update as of the recording of this video, but it will be what we will be studying here will be the latest as of now. Okay, so on the next slide are the learning objectives. Now, on the learning objectives, I'm looking into do this three-way method: theory, lab, and test. Now, in theory, we will be discussing the actual skill and all of its informations which may be helpful or will help us to understand more the technology, how it works, and actually how it may be represented in the exam. And then next thing is we will do a lab exercises, because believe me guys, if you really want to learn in IT, the best way of learning it is by doing it. Now we will be building our Azure lab right in the very beginning of the series. So that will help us do some demonstrations or act on what we have learned from the theory, and that will be very helpful. And last thing is we will be doing some practice questions. Okay, yep. So I'm actually thinking if I will be doing an offline videos or live, because as you guys know, I'm also working full time, and depending on what my time allows, I may do live. But of course, I'm gonna be premiere, so you guys know when will it start, and you can actually watch that video live and ask questions, or comment during that premiere, or actually the live video, so we can actually interact with each other. Okay, so that's all for now for the introduction. Hopefully I'll be able to upload the first video very soon, and then yeah, let me know what you think. Should I do offline more or just do live? And yeah, just like and subscribe. That's all. Thanks. See you on the next one.